Today I'll be telling you about your open pore problems. I'll be using the product. Maybe that product is not with you, so it doesn't matter. If I'm touching my skin, I'm only touching my skin because my hands are sanitized and clean. So whenever you touch your face or whenever you are using this tip, make one thing very sure that whenever you are touching your face or applying anything on your skin, your hands are sanitized and clean. So here we go. Before I say goodbye to you, I just want to tell you a few more things. If you follow these steps twice in a week, you will see the change for sure. And you can apply any cold cream according to your skin type. This was the thing which you can set at home and you can work for your acne problem. Till the time I'm back with the video, I hope you stay at home, stay safe, don't go out without any reason. Only if you have a solid reason to go out, then you please go out and protect yourself and protect your family. Till then, bye bye, take care.